Let me show you how to delete your iPhone for a trade-in. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you wanted to delete out everything, remove all of the apps, all of the photos, etc., so that you can trade it in, but there's no information left on there, I'll show you how to do it. The first thing we're going to do is head into the Settings app on your phone. From here, at the very top, you'll see your name. Just tap on your name at the top. And then from here, tap on where it says iCloud. This is where everything is backed up on your iPhone to the iCloud so that in case you get a new iPhone and you're trading it in, you can get it all back. So next to Save to iCloud, tap on See All and make sure everything on here is turned on, indicating that everything is backed up to your iCloud. After you've done that, let's just go back one and then tap on iCloud Backup midway down. You'll be able to see the last successful backup. Keep in mind, if it was backed up yesterday or a week ago or a month ago, you want to make sure everything is backed up before you wipe it. So tap on Backup now, and then just wait until it is fully backed up to the iCloud. After it is fully backed up, come back here, and we'll just go back to the very beginning of your settings. Now is the process of factory resetting or wiping out all the data. To do that, what we're going to do is tap on General midway down, and then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, keep in mind, it says Erase all content and settings. When you tap on that, it will walk you through. It will delete out all the apps, remove your Apple account, the Find My activation lock. It will remove all of the wallets and credit cards that are associated with your Apple Wallet. And then most importantly, it will remove your eSIM associated with that phone number that you previously had on your iPhone. Now, all you need to do is hit continue here, and keep in mind, you're going to erase this again so that you can trade it in. So you want to hit delete eSIM and erase data. After you've done that, it will go through the process of factory resetting it. But whenever you trade it in and get your new iPhone, you can just select to restore everything from your iCloud backup that you just made. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.